Most apps just don't get it. If you've been looking for a way to learn Punjabi, you probably realize that most of the big apps don't have this language. And if you manage to find an app that teaches Punjabi, most of the time it looks like a boring textbook. Today, I'm showing you the best app to learn Punjabi. I'll walk you through why it's the best app to get you speaking right from day one. The app I'm talking about is Ling. You can check out the link in the description below to start your 7-day free trial with the Ling app today. We added all the app's key features in these timestamps so it's easier for you to look through. Now let's start with the most critical part of learning a new language, the audio.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋ?
Most apps use text-to-speech or TTS robots, which is good for them because it saves them money, but bad for you because if you learn from a robot, you'll end up sounding like one. But that's what sets Ling apart from all the other apps out there. Ling works with native speakers to create the courses and to record the audio for you. This is really good for all languages, especially tonal ones, because you're hearing real people speak with their real accents. It's the best way to get your ear tuned to the natural rhythm of the language without needing to go out and speak to somebody face to face. But hearing it, that's one thing, and using it in context, that's another. Ling doesn't just throw random vocabulary at you. Unlike other apps, Ling is built around context. Understanding what, when, where, why, that's the key part to learning a new language. They design each lesson to match the real-world situation you need with the right amount of gamification to lead your learning journey. And the sentences that you learn first are the ones that you'll get to use right away, as it should be. Like ordering food, asking for directions, and calling for help in case of an emergency. Now let's be honest, even if the lessons are going great, staying motivated is one of the hardest parts of learning a new language. Well, that's why I really like the banana points and the streak feature. These features motivate you to learn your language daily and progress better. Every lesson earns you banana points. But that's not all. Ling also has a daily streak counter, but it only gives you just the right amount of push to help you open the app at least once a day. Ling also has a daily streak counter, but it only gives you just the right amount of push to get you to open the app at least once a day. Even if it's just a 5-minute break from doom scrolling on social media. Now, with all those features, will they actually teach you how to speak? That's what Ling's Chatbot aims to do. It's an interactive conversation partner that simulates real life. You listen to the native speaker, you choose your answer, and the app gives you instant feedback. This helps you put yourself in that situation before you actually talk to somebody. So when the time comes that you have to use a language, you're more confident. It is the perfect way of practicing how to speak without the anxiety of talking to a stranger before you're ready. Grammar notes that explain the logic behind the sentences in plain English so they're easier to understand. It covers all the technical stuff in between the gamified lessons. Now that I've went through Ling's key features, I want to let you know that this app is built with cultural and linguistic respect. Your language matters, and with Ling, we can keep your language alive. Thank you for watching, and give Ling a try if you want to master the language, the accent, and to speak confidently. The premium version is a paid model, but if you want to give it a go before committing, you can click the link in the description below for a free 7-day trial. Have a good language learning journey!